Try to figure out who I am. Not sure what I'm doing here, and the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood. Never found somewhere I fit in. Until I met you I was feeling lost, but you're the one who can make it go away.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be relaxing after dark clean with me. Well, I guess I should say after school clean with me because it wasn't quite dark yet. So I'm just going to be tidying up the living room, cleaning the kitchen and the dining room, and then later on I will share a DIY that I did from a thrift store lamp.
You can make it go away. All you have to do is look at me. Sometimes
One of the kids spilled something on the couch, so I'm just taking this Woolite upholstery cleaner and I'm gonna just scrub up that spot. It makes it so easy just to have that little thing to be able to scrub up anything that gets spilled on the couch.
I can't breathe, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try but don't succeed, yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me.
Moving on to the messiest part of my house, my kitchen was super messy, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean off the counters, and then that way I can get all of the dishes done. So I'm gonna unload the dishwasher and wash all of the dishes that are in the sink.
The one who saves me.
I'm trying my best to hold on.
If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you hit that subscribe button. It is totally free, it does not cost you anything. It just lets you know when I upload videos, and I try to upload 2 cleaning videos a week. And I'm incorporating more home decor and DIYs into my videos as well, so let me know if you want to continue seeing those.
It's not easy, but I'm feeling stronger with you. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood.
Sometimes I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try but don't succeed, yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me.
I finally went and picked up a fall candle, and my house smells so good right now. It's actually from Walmart. It's the pumpkin waffles. So I think it's kind of like the one from Bath and Body Works, but it smells so good.
I'll give you my everything. It's not much, but it's all I have.
You know we could run to a place where we belong, but I need you there with me to go on. Sometimes I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try but don't succeed, yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me. No, I can't get
Walk through the fire, the sound of a lion. I found my way back in the end. Baby, I've fallen for you and the way you make me feel. Don't need to pretend that I'm somebody else. With you I can't be myself. That sure is something else. Can we stay for a while until the fire's burn out? It's a shimmering night, setting is right. Just assumed we were more than just friends, 'cause I felt the tension in the room. Caught in emotion on every occasion. Laughter and hours of gloom. Can we stay for a while until the fire's burned out? It's a shimmering night, setting is right.
So I have been looking for rugs for the different parts of my house, like the dining room, living room, and the kitchen. Should I get a runner to go in here, or should I get a rug to go in front of the sink and then a rug to go in front of the stove? I think the two would look a lot better than a runner. Let me know in the comments below.
Oh, I never meant to start a fire. As I said, you got me falling. You will always be my reason to stay. You got me falling. Did you know that? I wanna hear you say, you got me falling. Did you know that? Without you I fade away.
The dining room was a mess too. The kids had all of their schoolwork out on the table. So I'm just gonna clean that all up and put their backpacks where they go, wipe off the table, and then I'm gonna sweep and mop the floors.
You got me falling. Did you know that? I wanna hear you say, you got me falling. Did you know that? Without you I fade away.
When someone don't help you, when someone don't help you through the rain, when feelings don't matter and everything's nothing but a game. Just know that I'm with you. Just know that I'm with you through it all, and I'm gonna be there.
So I have changed up my fall decor so much since I first decorated it. I don't know, I wasn't loving it, so I've been slowly changing it up a bit. You can see that I did change up the dining room table, and then later on you will see that the entryway table is going to look completely different as well.
Whenever you win or if you fall, I know that we will make it through the storm, 'cause you and me been fighters since we were born. It's all over our bodies and hearts. Yeah, you and me.
lately I have been trying to get all of my laundry done in a day rather than just doing 1 to 2 loads a day. I feel like this really helps me be able to get it all done and fold it, and then the next day I will put it away.
Been fighters right from the start. Hey, don't you worry. Hey, don't you worry about a thing. You get what you're given, but it's never too late to spread your wings. It's tough now, but trust me, yeah, trust me. I know that we will make it through this.
Now to start on the lamp, I just picked this up at the thrift store. It was like $6.99, but it was half off day, so it was like $3.50. So yeah, they had a sticker on it, so I'm just sanding that part off, and then I'm going to tape off any parts that I do not want painted. So originally I wanted to do this two-tone. You will see that the clear part is white, and then I will paint the silver parts black, but the white paint ended up not working very well, so the whole thing just turns out black, and I actually love the way that it turned out. So I'm just going to tape off the parts that I don't want painted, and then I picked up these marbles at the Dollar Tree, so I'm just going to hot glue those on. Probably use an E6000 glue rather than hot glue, because a couple of them did end up popping off and I had to re-glue them, but the hot glue worked for the time being, and you'll see I kind of played around to see how I wanted them. It's a good thing about hot glue, you can move them around if you want. So yeah, I'm just going to put the rest of the marbles on and then get to painting.
A minute until midnight. I'm just wondering where you at. Just thought I'd call and wish you good night. I left my key under the mat. I don't get anything done, you're stuck on my mind. I keep on missing your touch, missing your vibe. This feeling might go when I say what we had. Won't you come on over? Don't you miss me too? Give it all you got, babe. Give it all you got, baby. I'd rather try than lose you. Give it all you got, baby. Give me all you got.
So I don't know why the white spray paint didn't work very well. I don't know if maybe because it was out in the humidity or what, because normally that spray paint is one of the only ones that I use because it normally works really well. But it was like super hot and humid out, so I wonder if that had anything to do with it. So I ended up just painting it all black, and I actually love the way that it turned out. So since I redid the lamp, I decided to redo the decor right when you walk in.
This feeling like I wanna say what we had. Won't you come on over? Don't you miss me too? Give it all you got, babe. Give it all you got, baby.
Alright, we have come to the end of today's video. I hope that you got so much cleaning motivation. Let me know what you think about the new decor and the lamp. So I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.
I'd rather try than lose you. Give it all you got.